If you or someone you know absolutely loves to bake and is looking for a great baking set, you're absolutely going to love this. We're going to take a real close look at this. First, let's look at everything inside. So you're going to get 9 pieces right over here. This has pretty much all the essentials you need. It comes in different colors. I actually got the black color. I will show you exactly what it looks like in a second. But right off the back, you're getting half a sheet pan and a cooling rack. That sheet pan is going to be about 17 by 11 by 1. You're going to get this jelly roll pan right over here. That's going to be 15 by 10 by 1. You're going to get a roasting pan that's 15 by 11 by 1. These are all just approximations. You get the loaf pan that's going to be 9 by 5 by 2. You get 2 round pans right here. It's going to be 9 by 9 by 2. Square pan 9 by 9 by 1.7. And then we get the 12 cup muffin tin. So let's take a closer look at this. All right, we got everything unwrapped over here. So you got this nice little diamond texture. Let's kind of take a closer look here. You can kind of see you got that nice little diamond design over here, which is really, really nice. So this is going to be your regular pan right over here. This is going to be the half sheet pan. Really, really nice. Again, they do come in different colors. I just like this one as well. We got the muffin tin right over here. You kind of see how deep they are right over here. If I put my finger in there, so you get an idea right over there. These are going to be the 2 cake pans. I really like the fact that you just literally have everything you could possibly ever want if you're baking or really like to cook. This right here is going to be the rack. So if you're making cookies or you have a roast or anything like that, you can just put this on top of the pan and you have that. It's going to be your square loaf pan right over here. These are also really easy to clean. Just hand wash them. They are non-stick, which is really nice. This is going to be your square pan right over here. This is going to be great for brownies or maybe a little crumb cake or something like that. And then this is the big guy. This is the roasting pan. Again, really, really nice. If you or someone you know absolutely loves to cook and likes to bake, this would be a great gift for them. So a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over to review, and definitely check this out.